Welcome guys, I am Suha Malik and in this video I am going to show you how to spy on your competitors and find out the keyword they are ranking for. For example, I am interested in making a first toddler coloring book, and by searching this I came across this book. This is selling really well and this is just published on January 29, 2021. And the second competitor I would like to investigate is this one. This is very famous book, my first toddler coloring book. So I am interested in finding the low competition keywords these guys are ranking for on the very first page of Amazon. The keyword should have at max 2000 competitors, and keywords has search volume in Amazon as well. So we will do this using Helium 10. This is the Helium 10 suite of tools, and the two main tools are here, Cerebro and the magnet. Firstly, I will use Cerebro to reverse engineer the keywords these books are using and ranking for first to 40th rank, which means the first page of Amazon. So I am interested in finding keyword on these books are ranking for. This book is ranking 318 in all bookstore, and the second one, this is published in January 2021, and this is independently published and it is ranking in 363, and it is priced as 5.9, and it is making a lot of money. So I am interested in doing a research for this. So what we'll do is I will copy this ASIN and paste it into Cerebro and get keywords. One thing I want to share with you, I am using a paid version of Helium 10 that costs $97 per month, but if you get it through my link, you will get a 50% discount. This is the link. I will pop this link in the description below, and by using this code you will get 50% discount. Here you can see that is normally $97, but if you get it through my link, you will get it only for $48.50. And this is really important because this lets us sort the data and lets us apply some filters. So if you are interested, you can check the link in the description, and if you buy through my link, it's very appreciated. So firstly, I will copy the ASIN of this book, copy, and here in go under here keyword research and click on the Cerebro, and once there, paste the ASIN here and then click on get keywords. Click on new search and wait for the magic. Helium 10 will show a lot of keywords. Total 2129 keywords. Organic keywords are 1625. Sponsors keywords are 0, which means this is not running any ads at the moment. Amazon recommended keywords are 584. 2129, that is a lot of keywords. To get fair amount of keywords, you need to apply some filters like search volume, organic rank, and the number of competitors. Number of competitors will be here in the advanced filters. So I am applying the first filter. Minimum searches in Amazon store should be, this is the searches in Amazon, 200. That may not be exact, but that is estimated searches. Okay, 200 searches minimum, and organic rank should be 1 to 40. 40 or 20. I am searching 40. Okay, 1 to 40, and search volume is 200 per month. So let's hit apply and see what comes out. So before there was 2. Let me show you the keywords without filters. I haven't shown you. Okay, if we haven't applied any filters, we will get, you can see here 2117 keywords, and that a lot of keywords to go through and check. And you can see here this is the Cerebro score, Cerebro I score, search volume, search trends, sponsored ASINs, competing products. More interested in Cerebro, search volume and competing products. To use this, we will apply these filters. I am interested in minimum searches per month 200. Sales rank of 1 to 40. Okay, and then hit apply, and here we will get a lot of related keywords. Now the problem is competing products are more. Coloring books for toddler is very good keyword. Search volume is very high. Cerebro score is low. That is because the competing products are a lot of, it is over 10,000. So we need to further apply a new filter, that is competing products. At max I am interested in 2000. You can also select 1000. I am okay with 2000. So hit apply, and here we go. Now we are limited to only 15 searches. These are really low competition keywords. Although this is the less amount, if you apply a new filter and 100, then hit apply, so you will get more keywords, 25 keywords. These are the keywords we are interested in. You can see here, you can also filter it by Cerebro score or search volume. Just click on the search volume, you will get the results arranged by search volume. So toddler coloring book 1 to 3 has a Cerebro score of 1707. Competing products are less than 2000. This is not relevant. This is, I think, a Spanish version of the same. You can also choose the Spanish keyword in your backend. So write and wipe book for toddlers. This is not related to coloring book. Jumbo coloring book for toddlers. This book is ranking for these keywords, and these keywords are very low competition. 402, 803 search volume, and less than 2000 competing products. My first coloring book, 1 year old, that is very low competition keywords. You can see here very less number of competing products are for that specific keyword. So let's jumbo coloring book toddlers. Okay, let's start it in terms of competing product, or you can go above and here you can type 1500. We are narrowing down on the keywords that have very less competition. Okay, we got these keywords. Higher the Cerebro score is, better it is. These are the very long tail keywords. So just scroll down, and toddler coloring books, that is very good keywords. My first coloring book for 1 year old, we have already checked this one. This is the Spanish word for, I think, the coloring book for boys or girls. You can check it out. And coloring book, you can see this is the misspelled keywords. First 100 words sticker book, the boy who called words, these are not related. Tracing book, we are getting our niche ideas here. Coloring book booms 3 years, that may be a brand name. Coloring book for 1 year old, that is again a very low competition keyword. Only 681 competitors. First 100 animal sticker book. So this is the way you can find low competition keywords. If you get a less number of keywords, then you can again change some filters. Okay, so let's do this with the second book, and the second book is show us here on the Amazon. So I am going to copy its ASIN. So scroll down and copy the ISBN 10. It will work with this as well. Okay, get keyword ideas, new search. So here we go. I am searching in the Amazon.com. Okay, 9,105 keywords. Organic keywords are 6,800. Amazon recommended are 999, and sponsored are 1,909. So again, we will go through these keywords and then apply some filters. You can see here preschool coloring book for toddlers age 2, learning coloring book for kids, but these have a lot of competitors. So we are going to apply some filters like minimum search is 100 and the minimum rank 1 to 40. Okay, and here the third filter would be our competing products maximum 1500. Let's say 1500. Okay, hit apply. So let's see what comes out. So now we are left behind with 332 keywords that are within this criterion. So old school coloring books, very high Cerebro IQ score, search volume is good one, and the competing products are very low, 157. Mechanical toys for toddlers 2-year-olds, very good. Cerebro I score is low, but competing products are low as well. Search volume is less. You can also check the trend by clicking here, and then you can see here the trend is going up and up. If we click on all time, and we can see there was a dip, there was very higher trend here, then dip, and now it is going above in August as well. So if we check the trend of this one, you can click here and then click on all time, and you can see there was a dip here, and now it's again climbing. Okay, so this is a way you can determine the popularity of a keyword. So next you can see baby coloring book 1-year-old. So I haven't got as many keywords from the first book, this one, but this book is giving me a lot of very related and low competition keywords. So baby coloring book 1-year-old, that is very good Cerebro IQ score, and very less number of competing products are here. You can also sort it by Cerebro I score, so we can get low competition keywords very first. So on the launchpad counting, if you further need to sort these keywords, you can also go here and show phrases that contain only coloring. So hit apply. Now it will remove the keyword that are not related to our search. So you can see here baby coloring book 1 year, very low competition keyword. Let's sort it out by Cerebro I score, higher to lower. Bluey coloring book may be a brand name, so avoid using brand names. Baby coloring book 1 year. Blood alphabet coloring book, I haven't heard of this before, very good keyword again, very less number of competitors. Morning scribble coloring book, very good Cerebro I score and very less number of competitors. My first coloring book 1-year-old, very good. We have also checked this in the previous book as well. Coloring book feminist, I haven't heard this before. So this way we are going to find unknown keywords to us. Airplane coloring book, penguin coloring book, little baby bum coloring book, and there may be a brand name, Disney a brand name again. Unborn coloring book, that is very amazing. And now what you can do is you can come here and export either copy to clipboard. If you click on copy to clipboard, it will only copy the keywords, and if you export is an Excel sheet, it will copy all the data along with the keywords. So in this way you can find very low competition keywords your competitors are ranking for on the first page of Amazon. At least in the first to 40th rank, search volume is 100, and the number of competing products are 1500 at max. And we have also used the word coloring book. You can also use some other word here like tracing book, and see if there are any keywords for tracing book. This book is ranking for only 2 keywords: dinosaur tracing book, shape tracing book for preschoolers. That is very good low competition keyword again. Only 355 competing products are here. So this tool gives you a lot of data and lot of very low competition keywords that your ideal competitors are ranking for, and you can use this tool, and at least for first month. I know this is very costly tool, but one thing you can do is you can buy this for 1 month only and cancel it. And by using my discount code, as I mentioned earlier, you can get 50% off on your first month. So this is how you can find a lot of low competition keywords. And in the next video I will also show you how you can use this tool. This is the magnet keyword research tool to find a lot of more relevant and low competition keyword. This is all from it, and if you were new to my channel, then do subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.